Hello guys, welcome to Surveoo YouTube channel. If this is the first time watching our channel, please do it to subscribe. We are happy to welcome our new subscribers. Alright, in our today content, we are going to bring to you how to make £7 pay survey. Okay, how can that be possible? It can be possible through Surveoo. Surveeo is a nice platform that you can earn like £7 or euro pay survey. Okay, you see from here that how can you study them and to earn? You must to sign up, but before we sign up, you have to know the real truth about them. Okay, let's go to our portal to see what we've written about them. Surveil, is it worth using or totally a scam? Check my honest review. I'll also show you a screenshot of how I have made some money from them. Okay, and there's also another one that earn up to $14 per survey. The survey changes. Okay, this one shows that you can also earn from them like $14 per survey. Okay, how can we know them? Everyone loves to get money for their opinion. Okay, paid survey are an excellent way to complement your income, and you can earn money from comfort of your home with no special skill or qualification needed. Plus, the survey are easy, quick and easy to complete. Surveil is that one side that can give you that. However, it can be challenging to find if you are looking for a Surveil review because the site is relatively new to the industry. In a nutshell, Surveil is similar to any paid survey site like TGM, Panel, and Opinion Wall, which rewards its members for sharing their opinion but setting realistic expectation. Is essentially because doing paid survey takes time to make you rich. Okay, let's go to the main story or the main content. What's Surveil? Surveil is newly minted paid survey website that allow users to share their opinion to get rewarded. Okay, it's a French company. Okay, so it's ready to pay a lot of cash. Okay, this is a registered company, 79 registered number, company number 794602201. Doing survey is easy and fun way to make money without leaving your home. Users can complete questionnaire, exchange to forward or make reward with money, making it an excellent opportunity for people who want to make some extra cash in their free time. Okay, how to earn? You can earn through paid surveys. That is number one. Another one is through bonuses. How can bonuses be got? You access the bonus section to earn extra money by completing easy tasks. For example, the platform will reward you for completing 2 surveys in a single day and subscribing to push notification, and you can unlock more bonuses along the way. 3. Sponsored a friend. Surveil has a sponsored your friend program where you can get 10% of your earnings for life. Well, it is another referral program. You must copy and share the unique referral link in the membership section with your friend and network. How do you get paid from Surveil? First, you must to register a free account, and that only takes less than 30 seconds by giving your country, email, date of birth, address, name. Don't be confused by the welcome screen asking the amount you like to earn each day, because the registration process is still the same regardless of the answer. In the end, rather, I beg your pardon. Next, check your email to verify and confirm the registration. Finally, you are ready to start exploring the site. Click on Paid Survey to access the available survey opportunity and complete them to earn the reward. You can choose the survey based on the duration and prices and see if they justify your time. Not to be wasting your time and not making good money. You have to waste your time to make good money. You have to understand the dashboard. You will see the remaining amount over the payout threshold amount. In example, the minimum payment is G SGD 29, And once you reach it, you can redeem the amount as PayPal cash, Amazon gift card, or bank transfer. Upon request, Surveoo will process and credit the payment within 48 hours. Who can join? Surveyor panel is generally open to people who meet the membership criteria, such as the minimum age and geographical location required. However, the standards might differ across different countries. You can check out your eligibility by choosing the country of residence and see if you can join. Thank you for watching. I'll show you step by step guide now. It's just this one was just an intro. Okay, now we are going to the step by step guide on how to get this survey done. Okay, first thing, you have to go to Google. Let me show you step by step. Go to Google and type Surveyo, Surv, Surveyo. Yeah, it's coming up already. Surveyo.com. I'm speaking English, that's why English is coming up. Okay, you search so that you get it right. See, paid online survey, earn up to £8 per survey. You see, it even changes, €8 rather. That sign is euro, not pounds. I beg your pardon. You go to Google, you type surveyo.com. You see paid online survey, earn up to €8 per survey. You can even earn up to £14 per survey. You click, okay. This one I can use any of my email. You see registration. This one is €7. Registration is free. Free registration. You click. Okay. From here, you see in your own country, my own Naira is showing because I'm in Nigeria. Okay. They asked me respond to survey and earn up to €300 per month. It's possible earn money from home. They talk about paid surveys. Okay, you see, these are the companies that they are partnering with. Okay, registered yet. Okay, let me say registered yet. I have to register. They ask me, no, not yet registered. I go to registered. Okay, okay, hold on, hold on. I refresh. It's showing. Okay, how much this will pop up. This will pop up said, how much would you like to earn a day? Ha. This one, I said 20,000 and more. That is the first step. You will click that. After going to Google, that will be the second step. How much would you like to earn? I said 20,000 and above. In your own country, the amount may be different. Okay, I put my name. I use this other email. I put password. Password I like. Okay. I may put random password. Okay, I put date of birth. I may put anyone. Don't mind me. Oh. All right. Don't mind me. Just my normal date is September 24. Okay, choose it. Okay, 1995. Okay, we continue. By joining Surveyo, you agree with its privacy and its general terms. I said yes. What am I waiting for? It's plenty. It's plenty over here. Okay, it said, I said my password. It said, you you are a second away from starting to earn. I said, wow, this is another of my account. You have to go to your email. They ask you to provide. You are second away from paid survey. Please complete this and submit. Okay, address. Put my address. You put your own address where you are. Mail. I send. After filling the city, Calabar. Okay, now send. Said complete today's survey and earn. You see now it's popping up. It's popping up. Okay. Said access to get paid. Okay. Please note many safeguards are built into surveys. I completed I completed. They'll be asking you, have you completed this task? You have to be some they will ask you, you have to read what they're asking you to do. Available paid. Participate in the selection of surveys and accumulate cash. To earn money easily and quickly, choose your survey answer, the question, and you will be credited with the amount indicated, subject to be being disqualified from the survey. Every hour and every day, new survey and novelties are added. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. We are very happy to have you, the newcomers and our old subscribers. Please share this video, like and comment. In your own country, the platform here may change. As I'm in Nigeria, the NGR is in Naira currency. Irrespective of the country you are, you see the surveys. This one is 15 naira, 200 naira, 44. This 200 about $1 or so. You see, getting to $1. And so you go to the highest, you click. Let me just do one so that you see the example. What are they asking me? Are you currently living in Nigeria? Yes, I am from Nigeria. I move. Your question and my question will not be the same because we are not in the same country except we are in Nigeria. The protection of your personal data is very important to us and all information is treated strictly confidential. We make opinion, okay? Collecting the following technical data: IP address, device ID, cookies, and additionally user data you enter to qualify for every survey. Example: demography information, lifestyle information, and other interests. All data is always processed anonymously. Okay, yes, I agreed. In which year were you born? They're asking security question. Please enter the number. Okay, I put 1995. You have to take your time. You have to waste your time to do what is right. Put the months. I put the dates. 24 September. Okay, I select. We proceed. Most survey are looking for participant in. They said that most participants are looking for people in certain age range. Honesty is the sky to successfully completion of survey. Please enter your age, which should match the date of birth you already provided. It said enter the dates that will match your date of birth. Is 24. We proceed. The age you entered does not match your date. Wow, your date of birth incorrect. Yes, would like to change my date of birth. No, my date of birth is correct. What is your postal code? 24212 is my postal code. They'll be asking you security questions. You answer them. You take your time to do what is right and end big. Okay. You click. As you enter your postal code, you click. We have different postal code. If you put the one that does not correspond, you can check your city postal code via Google. You type the name of your city. I'm a man. Which language do you speak and understand fluently? English. Okay. We are watching. Okay, just follow the steps. You'll get everything done. All right, thank you guys for watching. Please do well to subscribe to our channel, share, like, and comment on this video. We are always ready to help you out on your side hustle earning. All right, this is the proof of earnings that we've gathered so far. Okay, you've seen it, 1,588 USD. You've seen it. Okay, you have to do it continuously. You can also choose to use VPN and change the location. Why I was using my country, Nigeria, is just for practical purpose. You can use VPN to choose United States so that you get paid, see surveys in dollars, and you will receive via USD. Okay, thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. As you are subscribing to this channel, you are encouraging us to do more research and to keep you updated every day. You see another one here. I'll show another of our earnings. You see another one is coming up on the screen. That is from a OP Vision DBA. Personally has sent you 56 USD. You see the date. This was on the April 2023 survey time ambassador. Okay, you've seen that these people are for real. They are coming to stay. They are coming to make sure that you earn. Please remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe.